Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn one type of border design to finish our shawl. Here I have made fringes which will give a very beautiful and a decorative look to our shawl. We have already finished the shawl, and to put this border design we should put 2 rows of straight stitches on both the ends. Now let us start shawl border fringe design. Put a chain and make 2 single crochet stitches in each gap. 1, 2. Again in the next gap we will make 2 single crochet stitches. 1, 2. In the next gap 2 single crochet stitches, and again this same way we'll continue. In this large gap also we make 2 single crochet stitches. So totally we will get 8 single crochet stitches in each shell, and if we continue we will get 54 single crochet stitches in the first row. I will finish this and come back to you. And now I have finished the first row. Coming to the second row, make 1 chain, turn the side and put 1 single crochet in each chain for all the 54 chains, and finish the second row. In each chain we make 1 single crochet. This is the second row. So we'll get 54 chains in the second row also. I'll finish this second row and come back to you. Now take any book with the length of 8 to 9 inches. This book is 8.5 inches. Now make 1 chain, turn the side, and then in the first chain make a slip stitch like this. Extend the loop to 8.5 inches, measuring with the help of the book. Hold the left hand edge tightly like this, and using the crochet hook twist the right end like this 36 times. Twist the loop using the crochet hook 36 times like this. Then put your little finger in the middle of the loop and fold it into 2. This will twist automatically and make a fringe like this. Hold tightly and make a slip stitch in the same chain. Make a slip stitch in the same chain, and then make a slip stitch in the next chain. Another slip stitch in the next chain. Extend the loop to 8.5 inches using your book, and now we'll make the second fringe. Hold the left edge with your left hand and the right edge with your crochet hook and twist 36 times. Put your middle finger in the center, fold it and just leave it. Automatically fringe will develop. Adjust it, and now we have finished the second fringe. See here how beautiful it is. We have made 2 fringes and then make a slip stitch in the same chain where we started, and again in the next chain we'll make 1 slip stitch and continue the same pattern throughout this row like this. I'll finish this row and come back to you. Now making the third fringe. I'll complete this row. See, now I have finished the fringes, and this is the last fringe. In the same way, I have measured 8.5 inches. Hold the left one tightly and using the hook make 36 loops. Put your middle finger in the center and fold it. You will get the fringe. This is the last fringe in this row. Now make a slip stitch in the same chain. And now we should finish it. Just cut the yarn and bring it through the loop. Tighten this and then pass this extra yarn through the stitches like this continuously, and we shall finish this end. See, now I have completed the design. How beautiful it looks. All straight lines. If we measure it and take, everything will be of equal size. See, one side it will look like this, and on the other side you can see a continuous chain. Now coming to the other end where we started the shawl, there will be a continuous row of chains, and in the starting you will have some yarn left over. Tie your new yarn with the previous yarn, and now we shall start with the single chain and then 1 single crochet in each chain. We have started with 63 chains in the beginning. In each chain we will make 1 single crochet. In the 63 chains, 9 we have used it for the first shell, and so there will be 54 chains as we did in the other side. Here also we will be getting 54 chains, and so 54 single crochet stitches we will put in the first row. And when coming to the place where we have put the shell, there will be 2 chains In these 2 chains, make 2 single crochet and continue with the other chains. Like the other side, we'll make 54 single crochet stitches in the first row, and again in the second row also we'll make 54 single crochet stitches and continue. See, we have come to the shell. There will be 2 chains. In these 2 chains, make 2 single crochet stitches. In this same method, we finish the first row and the second row also with 54 single crochet stitches, and then we'll make the fringes as we did on the other side. See, I have finished the fringes on the other side also. It will look like this in one side and chains on the other side. I hope you understood it clearly. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. I have given the related links in the description. Okay, let us meet in the next crochet lesson. Thank you.